So you want to start an online business, but you have zero spare cash to get started. That's what I want to talk to you about in today's video. Hey, I'm Elise Cartwright from Hustle and Groove, where we talk about all things productivity, side hustle, and email marketing. So you've decided you want to start a side hustle, you want to start an online business, but you don't have any spare cash. Now, I will say it can be a little difficult to start an online business with zero cash, but there are definitely some low cost options. But if you truly have no extra spare cash, stay tuned because I'm going to give you some options to consider. And then once you start earning some cash, you can upgrade to some of the other options I'm going to mention. So number one, you need to set up some type of website. Now, there are free options available. You can totally get started with WordPress.com or Wix.com, Weebly.com. All of those offer a free version. Now, the drawback to all of those is that you are not going to have a dedicated URL. So you won't have a site that's like hustleandgroove.com, for example. It would be hustleandgroove.wordpress.com if you don't have a domain name purchased. So if you have a little bit of cash, like $7, that's all it takes really to purchase a domain name, I would go ahead and do that. Spend $7, forget the coffee, go and spend that $7 on your domain name. So at least you've got a domain that looks legitimate, would still redirect to hustleandgroove.wordpress.com, but at least you have something that's super easy to share. So that would be step one, get a website up and running. Now, you could probably get away with not having a website if you chose to spend a little money and get started with an email marketing platform instead, where that would allow you to create landing pages, but I'm getting a little ahead of myself. So let's circle back and just start with a free website. So choose your poison. WordPress.com, Wix, or Weebly.com are your options. Then you're going to want to sit down and write out some of the things that you are super interested in, because you're going to need to create some content, and it is far easier to create content on something that you already know about. So go ahead, make a list of everything that you're interested in, everything that you know something about, and then you're going to jump into the Google Keyword Planner. Now you're going to access that through googleadwords.com. Now don't freak out, you don't need to have a paid account. We just need to get in there to have a look at those keywords to see if any of them are going to even make you any money. So go ahead, type in some of those ideas that you've been thinking about and see what the Google Keyword Planner tool tells you. Now, ideally, you are looking for low competition. We are starting out with the low hanging fruit, which means you're probably going to find keywords that are like how to start a XYZ, or how to get started with ABC, or review on XYZ, or I want to buy ABC. So those are the types of keywords that you're looking for, but remember, you're looking for low competition. You could go to medium competition, but we want you to be earning some cash as quickly as possible, so stick with the low hanging fruit. Then the next thing that you want to do is figure out what affiliate product you are going to promote with those blog posts that you're going to write. So remember, you have set up a website, aka your blog. You may have chosen to purchase a domain name, and then you've written down some ideas that you're interested in and writing about. You've done the research in the Google Keyword Planner, and now you're on the hunt for some affiliate products. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate, it just means that you're utilizing someone else's product and promoting it for them, and in exchange you are going to earn anywhere from 40 to 60% on any sales that you make through your own affiliate link. Now, a couple of sites that you can get started with are jvzoo.com and amazonassociates.com. Both of those are really great starting points, and Amazon Associates whilst they only pay out a top tier of 8%, you actually get to earn a royalty or an affiliate income based on what someone spends in their entire shop on Amazon. So if you think about it, someone heads to Amazon, they buy a book for $2.99, you're going to make maybe 2% on that. Then they go and buy a TV, or they go and buy a digital camera. Whatever else they spend in that session, you also make another 2 or 5% on. So you can see how it can quickly accumulate based on the keywords that you are targeting and the affiliate product you're promoting. So Amazon Associates is probably the easiest one to get started with. It's also going to be the one that takes the longest probably to earn some income from. But if you are consistent with writing those blog posts and then sharing them on social media platforms, then you can expect to start earning some cash within the next 30 days. And then once you've done that, then you can think about going into an actual online business. Now, I've talked about how to start a side hustle. I've talked about how to figure out what your passive income idea might be in previous videos, and you'll see them linked up somewhere here and down below in the description. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to comment below and I will definitely come back and answer you. And if this is your first time here and you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and that bell to get notified when new videos come out. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care.